habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Hello world! This is Louie Banta of LJMB. This video is being shot 8 feet away for social distancing and safety reasons. I'm having my coffee break, so my mask is temporarily off my face. We got a question from our community, online community. What do I do? What are your tips for me, Louie? I lost my job in the past 2 to 3 months. Sa mga nawalan po ng trabaho, my heart really goes out to all of you. I know that a lot of companies needed to release some of their employees during these difficult times. My first tip to you comes in the form of strengthening your mindset. Everything starts from here. This is where we give up. This is where we also continue to fight. Self-talk. It's not your fault. Your company has not been able to support employees during this time, understandably. Don't blame yourself too hard. Just focus on your skills and capabilities that you have. Continuously sharpen them. You have a lot of time right now. Continuously invest in increasing skills, sharpening those capabilities. My second tip for you is expand your network. You're stuck at home. Social media is now the marketplace for talent. Be active, be present, connect with the right people, entrepreneurs, business owners, executive levels in your functional areas that you excel at, HR, talent acquisition leaders, and for them to be able to notice you, post a lot of value-adding content. Just don't network and invite and connect with people. You have to post, you have to market yourself in your social media, Facebook, and LinkedIn profiles so that people will notice you. A lot of companies may have released employees. A lot of other companies are also ramping up on hiring, especially because of this digitalization, because of the work from home setup. Lots of companies are looking for people to be able to support their digitalization or technology initiatives. Number 3, you have to challenge that thought in the first place. Kailangan mo ba talaga ng trabaho? Kailangan mo ba talagang maghanap ng trabaho? Because if you're after income generation, what is it that you have? Talent, capability, asset, or resource, work-related or not work-related, that you can use so you can convert it into income. I know of an HR professional who knows how to bake cakes and cookies as a hobby. During the times of the pandemic, she resorted to that hobby to, so she's not distracted because of all of this crisis-related anxiety and uncertainty. Now she has a business name for her baking practice. What is it that you have? Talent and capability that you can use so you can start your freelancing practice or plant the seeds of your business empire of the future. Mindset, network, post value-adding content. And number 3 is challenge that thought that you need a job. Because yes, freelancing could be an option, or you can be an entrepreneur, and crisis opportunities are best times to start your own business. Cheers! This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.